Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'm going to show you is an extremely easy way to pull up an option chain, grab that data, and be able to visualize what you're trying to do to make it easier and quicker to analyze the different vertical spreads. So vertical spreads, it's easy to understand when you can visualize it. As we know, you have four types of vertical spreads. Either you're bullish and you can do a debit spread or a credit spread, or you do a debit spread bearish, credit spread bearish. So two ways to be bullish on a stock, two ways to be bearish on a stock. This is not to go into detail as far as what's the preferable method. Each person probably has their own way of doing it, but this is not a tutorial on vertical spreads in the sense of learning about it. This you should already know if you're watching this what they are and all the different types. So what we're going to do here is show you how to easily pull up, I think it's 194 different variations. So you have SPY here, which is trading at 42.12, and we're going to look 6 days out. And so you have your 10 strikes in the money, 10 strikes out of the money. But the thing is, how do you know which one is better or worse as far as which spread to do? So that's what this is for. So do I buy the 420 and sell the 425? Or do I buy the 422, sell the 42.7.5? Or do I put both of them in the money and buy the 417 and sell the 421? It's just by looking at an option chain, you can't really tell which one's preferable. However, if you simply grab the bid ask and the strike price of the 10 strikes in the money, 10 strikes out of the money, you'll be able to see all the combinations in a matter of seconds. So let me show you what I do. We're going to go ahead and go to my Fidelity account. We got SPY pulled up here. May 14th option chain. So I'm just going to simply grab this data, go over to my spreadsheet, paste it so that now you see the bid, ask, and strike. Alright, that's on the first tab here. On the second tab, now you have all of these different variations and you can quickly see what it is you're doing. So the first example we had was buy the 420, sell the 425. That's for one contract. Here you have it all broken down. Your cost is 2.85, or you can sell it for 5 because it's a $5 spread, 5-point spread. And on your left, you can see the max gain. Oops. You can see the max gain and the max loss. On the right, I can go ahead and up the contract if I want to. And you can see these prices change. Let's go 5. I can go up to 10, 20, whatever. And you can see the prices change here. Again, you'll see your max gain and max loss. Let me go back down to 1 contract. So that's a 75% gain if it gets to 425 or higher. What was the second one? The second one was buy the 422 strike and sell the 427.5. So again, you can see your max gain and your max loss and where your break-even price is, which is there, and you can also see it right in here. So sure, that's 54% gain if it gets to 427.5. However, you can also see it how it looks as it goes up and down in price. The third one as an example, we said let's go ahead and buy the 417, sell the 421. There it's a 28% gain, and you can see what your max loss is, max gain. Again, you can up the contracts or lower them. And each time you see the breakdown of the strikes, your cost, what is the max you can sell it for, and you simply just click on each one of these and they change, buying a call, selling a call, and you can see all the combinations instantaneously. If I want to buy one strike in the money and sell one strike out of the money, you can see what percent I can make and your max gain, max loss. If I want to up the contracts. So it's extremely powerful to see what it is that you want to do. And these are all based off the midpoint between the bid and ask as far as what you can get that contract for. So it's an extremely useful tool, and if you like it, let me know and I can get it to you. Thank you.